Hello student, welcome to my channel Electronics Tube. Today I will teach you about the fractions. Very easy and very scoring topic. So let's start with the fraction. So we have four types of fraction: proper fraction, improper. Okay, first we will see this. So let me give you an idea of what is a fraction that we have read in the class 3 and 4. Fraction means some part of the whole. So this is your whole, and if I take this part, shaded part, so how to write? This whole is 2 and shaded part is 1. So this fraction is called as 1 by 2. This is called as the fraction. Out of the whole, how much is the shaded, how much is the shaded part, that is your fraction, correct? So this is called as a fraction. Now in the fraction also we have the four types of fractions: proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, like and unlike fraction. So what is a proper fraction? So proper fraction means when the numerator is less than the denominator. Okay, like example, when numerator should be less than, so I can write 1 by 2 or 3 by 4. In this all you can see numerator is less than the denominator, so they are example of proper fraction. Improper fraction, when numerator is greater than denominator. N means numerator, D for denominator I am writing here. So what is the example for this one? Like 8 by 4, because numerator should be greater than denominator. Then 5 by 4 or 3 by 2, 6 by 5. These are the examples of improper fractions. In this all you see numerator is greater than the denominator, correct? I hope it is clear now. Now third one is your mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is a fraction which has a whole number and a proper fraction. So whole number, like I hope you know all what is whole number. Whole number starts with 0, then 1, 2, 3, like that. And so 0, when 0 is included, it will become a whole number. So smallest whole number is 0. 1 is also a whole number, 2 is also a whole number. So there is no fraction part, that's why it is called as a whole number. So what is an example for mixed fraction? 3, 1 by 2. So this part 3 is called as a whole part, and 1 by 2 is your proper fraction, correct? Because 1 is less than 2, so this fraction is called a proper fraction, and 3 is a whole part. So how to write it, student? 3 you have to write in the middle, then 1, then one line like this in the fraction. So this is called as a mixed fraction because it is having a whole part plus a proper fraction. So fraction and whole part is called as a mixed. From the word it is very clear. Okay, so this is the example of mixed fraction. Any other example? Like 6 1 by 4, 8 1 by 2, 8 3 by 4, all are mixed fraction. Now fourth one is like and unlike fraction. Like and unlike fraction. Okay, so like means the fraction which have the same denominators are called as like fractions. So for example, like 3 by 8, 1 by 8, 6 by 8, all are having the same denominator. See, 8 8 8, so they are called as like fraction. For unlike, just opposite, when the denominators are different. So 1 by 2, 3 by 5, 6 by 3, so in all this you see denominators are different, so they are called as unlike fraction, and they are called as like fraction because their denominators are same. I hope up to here it is very clear to all of you. Okay, so now we will see what is a equivalent fraction. By the name itself it is very clear. Equivalent means equal. Okay, two or more fractions are said to be equivalent if they represent the same part of the whole, like 1 by 2. And how to get the next equivalent of this one? You just multiply both the numerator and denominator with 2, so you will get 2 by 4. Again multiply by 3, you will get 6 by 12. you will get 2 by 4. So again multiply 1 by 2 with 3 and 3, so you will get 3 by 6. So again multiply 1 by 2 with 4 and 4, so 4 by 8. So like this, here you see these are called as the equivalent fraction, because when we do the lowest form of it, you will always get this 1 by 2. So I will show you. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, so 1 by 2 here. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 here. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So they are all 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8 are the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. This is the lowest one. So this is they represent the same part of the whole, means they are the same fraction, only they are in the multiples. So they are equal. They are called as equivalent fractions. Now I will solve some questions related to the lowest form conversion, because I feel students have so much of doubt in converting to lowest form, how to start, which number should take. So I will take a very simple example, 6 by 9. Now you see 6 and 9 here, they both comes in the table of 3. 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Okay, so how we can make it to the lowest form? Lowest means smallest only. So you see both should come in the same table. That is the first important criteria. After that, you see 6 is coming on 2, so I will write 2 here, and 3 and 9 is coming on 3, so I will write 3. So after this, you see they are the prime numbers. They cannot be cancelled further, and they don't have any common factor. So this is the answer. What is the number left out? Means this time you have to stop it. So this is called as the lowest form of 6 by 9. Okay, now take other one like 12 by 9. Now here you see you have to see both the numbers should come in the same table. So what are 12 comes in the what are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And what are the factors of 9? 1, 3 and 9. So you see 12 and 9 both are coming in 3 table. 3 is present here, 3 is present here also. So we have to divide it with 3. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, 9 is 3 3s are 9 and 12, 3 4s are 12. So you have to take this number 3 and 4. So 12 is coming on 4. So this is the lowest form. 4 by 3 is the answer for this one. Like you have 18 and 16. Okay, so first you write the factors of 18. With practice it will become very easy, but in the beginning if you are just learning it, so do like this. Okay, so 18 comes in the table of 1, 2, 3 6 are 18, not in the 4 table, not in the 5 table. Then 6 3s are 18, not 7, 8, 9, 9 2s are 18. Then after that in 18 only. Okay, 18 ones are 18. Now with the 16, 1, 2 8s are 16, 4 4s are 16 and then with 8. Okay, 8 2s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 2 8s are 16 and 16. Now here what you observe, the 8 and 16 we have to take the number in which both the numbers should be present. Okay, now here you see 2 is present here, but see here 3 4 6 9 8 there is nothing common, so we will start with 2. So now 2 9s are 18 and 2 8s are 16. So 18 is coming with 9 and 16 with 8. So I will write 9 here and 8 here. So now you see 9 and 8 there is no common number, because 9 is 1 3 and 9, 8 is 1 2 4 and 8. So there is no common term, so this is the lowest form. So we have to stop it here, stop here. So lowest form of 18 by 16 is 9 by 8. Okay, so I hope up to here it is very clear to all of you. In the next so that's it for this class. In the next video I will upload more questions related to these equivalent fractions and improper fraction, mixed fraction. So stay tuned to Electronics Tube for watching such wonderful concepts, and make your maths is basically the concepts, to make your concepts more and more strong.